Ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Turn 4, how you looking? You like how it looks? Punch it chicken. Let's go Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock Racing. Heck of a run coming out of 4 on the outside. It was Bobby Kearns at the line, according to the transponders, but Blackwell comes back in the middle of 1 and 2. Kearns takes the lead on the outside of 2. Still Kearns by about a quarter car length. Blackwell on the inside in that 99. Kevin McKinney in the 247, trying to figure out who's going to go and who's not. McKinney will probably go with them. But a great battle up front. Turn 4, let him know. That's a great battle coming at you. Chris Blackwell, Bobby Kearns, come on now. I've said it before, I'll say it again. Our Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock Division gets better each and every race we run here at Havasu 95 Speedway. And you see that flag come out there? That is the hold your line flag being shown to the 86 of Megan DeVoe. It's not the move over flag. You will hear people say it's a move over. No, don't move over. It's a hold your line flag. Gained a 1/10 of a second. 0.6 seconds faster than Kevin McKinney. Tom Gray and Hanson doing a good job, but we have the yellow out. I do think, who is that went around? Oh, I think that is the 23 of Tom Hanson, possibly. Punch it chicken, here we go. Chris Blackwell, Kevin McKinney, Bobby Kearns. Kearns taking advantage of that restart. McKinney puts his nose in there. Blackwell left the door open. Blackwell on the high side. Kevin McKinney, new leader at the line. Kevin McKinney. Blackwell drops his 99 car down onto the bottom groove. Got Kearns a little upset, but the Gray Ghost is coming behind him, Tom Gray. Good run on Chris Blackwell on that back straightaway. Poked the nose, thought about it. McKinney got a little upset. Blackwell on the bottom. Blackwell comes over the curb at the line. Chris Blackwell, new leader. He leads Kevin McKinney and Bobby Kearns. Bobby Kearns trying to figure out what's going on in front of him. Meanwhile, there's lap traffic in front of them. Kearns trying to work his way around McKinney. McKinney doing a good job, though, but Blackwell starting to step out. One more lap to go, ladies and gentlemen. Chris Blackwell fighting hard. Fighting clean, and he's got about a 3-car advantage going into turn number 3, ladies and gentlemen. Your Sam Nichols Electrical Factory Stock main event winner tonight, the 99 of Chris Blackwell. Kevin McKinney in the 247 comes in second, and Bobby Kearns in the 87 finishes third. Green punch it chicken. Let's go sprint car midget racing. Arizona Vintage Racing Association main coming at you. CJ Schrum in that 34S led last time by. CJ continues a lead going into 3. Now Schrum has the least amount of feet to go around and the preferred line on the bottom. You can get a good head of steam, though, and some speed and momentum on the high side if you can get it to stick. That's what Jeff Perry in that 55 is trying to do right. Oh, we got one around. A wheel is gone. We are yellow for sure. You picked a fine time to leave me loose wheel there in turn number 2. Not sure how many are exactly down, but punch it chicken. Let's go back to laps that count. 34S of CJ Schrum at a Rainbow Valley, Arizona, sponsored by Mom. That's the 2008 Arizona Midget Racing Association owner champion. Also was a Sportsman of the Year champion winner in 2004. CJ did. Last lap flag out, the white flag shown. It is CJ Schrum and Jeff Perry. Jeff Perry on the outside, CJ Schrum on the inside. Schrum, a good 1 and 2, gets a nice run out of turn number 2. Perry had to whoa up. Perry still on the outside. Perry, if he can do it and punch it chicken, could win this thing. CJ Schrum on the bottom. Schrum with the advantage coming out. CJ Schrum going to win this main event. For your Arizona Vintage Racing Association Vintage Midgets and Sprints, Jeff Perry going to come in second. Again, www.lowbudget.tv. Jeff and Tommy doing a fantastic job bringing you local short track racing, especially on the West Coast, but they go all over the country. We're back to green. Oh, Braylon Martin again got tagged by Zara Lombardi for that second spot. Madeline Ureta leading this thing in the 769. Rear of the lead lap. But again, back to Jamie Roberts and his crew. They do a fantastic job of maintaining this dirt. Whoa! But all of a sudden, Ureta goes around. Zara Lombardi, new leader. Zara Lombardi, the 7 of Pierce Weaver, second. Braylon Martin, third. Now that top tier starting to cruise around. Boy, but don't think Zara Lombardi has a free pass to the win. No, not at all. That young lady has got to have Pierce and Braylon behind her. Braylon Martin, he's still there. He's still there. Braylon Martin for second. Braylon Martin gets second. Oh, the yellow is out. Oh, that's not going to count. Heartbreaker. Punch it, chicken, green flag is down. Zara Lombardi leads the other carts on to the main event. Oh, look at Braylon Martin on Pierce Weaver. Braylon Martin to second. Oh, Lombardi overdrove 2. New leader, ladies and gentlemen, Braylon Martin. Braylon Martin takes the lead with 1 to go. TNT Detailing, Dr. J Environmental Waste Solutions, Mojave Mortgage, and Lakeside Auto sponsor Braylon Martin, your winner of the main event here for your 206 Outlaw carts. Ladies and gentlemen, how about that finish? Punch it, chicken, let's go. Holy moly, they go 3 wide into 1, and out of 2, they're still 3 wide. Oh, man, we got one into the back of another. We should stay probably green. Everybody's under power. Oh, yeah, let's get it on. It's a Saturday night short track fight in the flat carts. 55, I think, maybe under power. That's Aubrey Burst. Burst having a problem. Maybe a chain that came off or something. Burst probably going to clear herself. No, going to start right. Going to just stop right there at the start finish line. Okay, yellow comes out. Holy moly. That was exciting. 24 Matt McKinney leading this thing. No surprise. Punch it, chicken. Back to laps account. All right. McKinney boys got the memo. Trying to work the inside line. The inside line is the preferred line. Less real estate to go around, but you shave off a little bit of speed. If you can find some speed on the outside, that's your ticket. Oh, notice how we said that. Oh, went around, but we should stay green. Oh, right in front of the leaders, the McKinney boys. Good job. Madden and Mason now separated. Madden, it's going to work to his advantage in the 24 as he's leading this thing. Mason gets by, but Madden now has about 6 cart lengths between him and his brother. Mason and Madden doing a good job. White flag out now for the 24 of Madden and McKinney. Madden doing a fantastic job. Has run a flawless race so far, ladies and gentlemen. Madden McKinney going to win the flat carts tonight. Mason McKinney going to come in second. Let's get it on, ladies and gentlemen. Looking to the front straightaway. What? I don't know if that was an official green or not. Was that? Okay. All right. That works for me. Normally it gets waved really fast or something. It just kind of was put out there. I barely saw it. All right. Hey, that's okay, though. Carter Kendrick saw it. 777's tearing a new one. It looks weird. That's aerodynamically designed that way. Unfortunately, Jasmine DeVoe wanted to give you the other side of that wing, and we are under caution. Now, we should see Jasmine DeVoe in that 30 go in front of Kinsley Burris, but hey, who am I to say? I'm just the announcer. But Kinsley Burris in that 41, I think, is down a lap. I'm not positive, but either way, all three drivers are going to end up on the podium. I can tell you that for sure. Carter Kendrick taking his final lap around here, ladies and gentlemen. Carter Kendrick going to win your 125 Animal main event. Punch it, chicken, let's go. Come on with it, Brody Whitbeck. In the 99 leads your esteemed field of your Angels Creative Landscaping legends. Quickly, Stephen Brucker. Brucker goes to the front. Stephen Brucker, Brody Whitbeck, Ellie Brucker, Ryan Schenk last time by the start-finish line. These are 5/8 scale. We got one spun around in the middle of 3 and 4. Hey, next time you come, bring a friend. We got room for them. That's going to be Thanksgiving weekend. Yes, our big Thanksgiving late model race. Punch it, chicken. Let's go back to legend racing. Stephen Brucker, Brody Whitbeck, Ellie Brucker as they came by to start. Should see the white flag coming from John down there at the flagger stand. Stephen Brucker putting on a clinic tonight in your Angels Creative Landscaping Legends main event. Going into 3, looking as sexy as it can. Coming out of 4, ladies and gentlemen, your main event winner tonight in the Legends, Stephen Brucker. Second gonna be Brody Whitbeck. And coming in third in the number 7B, it's going to be Ellie Brucker. Ryder Juarez should come in fourth. Yes, indeed. Punch it, chicken, coming from the starter stand. John says, let's do it. Here we go. Your Can-Am Sprint main event. This one's slated for 25 laps to completion. Watch Sean Priest in that 4th spot take 2 positions. They're getting 2 for 1 back there on that first lap. But it's Bob Williams and Kevin Rattel up front. Rattel looking underneath Williams. Rattel at the line. Kevin Rattel, Bob Williams, Chris Schmelzley, Sean Priest, Bill Lawrence, top 5. Somebody about a mile away is going, what is that lovely warm rumbling happening under my recliner? It's the Can-Am Sprint cars at Havasu 95 Speedway. Come on with it. Good battle. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th up for grabs. As Kevin Rattel going to walk away by about 4 to 5 car lengths right now over Bob Williams, Schmelzley, Sean Priest, and Chris Oakes. Oakes won last night here at Havasu 95 Speedway. Still sitting in 5th. Priest starting to put a move on in that 71P in that orange machine. The all orange car coming up there, starting to hit lap traffic already. Sean Priest trying to get around Bob Williams. Bob Williams gets a rear end push on the exit of the corner. Priest could take advantage of that if he can get his front end to stick just a bit better on corner entry. Both of those drivers go to the bottom. Priest, though, might come out on top of this as they go into 1. Priest gets under Williams for 2nd. Sean Priest now walks away from Bob Williams in that 2nd spot all by himself. Really good battle for 3rd, shaping up between Oakes and Williams. Chris Oakes gets by Williams for that 3rd spot. Oh, they're coming almost 2 wide out of 4. Rattel, wow. Sean Priest shaved half a second that last lap off the lead that Kevin Rattel's got. Kevin Rattel, Sean Priest, that's the battle for the lead. Priest has closed the door. 3/10 of a second separated them last time by, but it's less than that now. Priest knocking on the back door of Kevin Rattel. Rattel goes into 3, still has the lead. Priest knocking. Rattel doing a good job. Rattel got to deal with lap traffic in front of him and Priest behind him. Priest better watch out because here comes Chris Oakes. Now Chris Oakes is into the equation too. Lap and a half to go, ladies and gentlemen. Coming at you, turn 4. You join your 9. Kevin Rattel trying to keep Priest behind him. Last lap, ladies and gentlemen. Sean Priest to the outside. Kevin Rattel on the inside. Chris Oakes looking for something. Priest goes to the high side, punching chicken. Oh, there you go. Priest gonna win this thing. Holy moly, Kevin Rattel makes... Holy moly. Well, we got a red that got thrown. It should have not been a red when they came by the start-finish line. We got a car into the wall in turn 4. I'll have to double-check with scoring here, but I think it's going to be Priest, Chris Oakes, and Kevin Rattel. So because they took the last lap, that is going to leave Sean Priest in the 71P. The 71P will be your winner. Sean Priest, Chris Oakes 2nd, Kevin Rattel 3rd, Chris Schmelsley 4th, and Bill Lawrence 5th, ladies and gentlemen.
Driver is okay.
Driver is okay. That's what's most important. Yes, indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, did you enjoy tonight's festivities at Havasu 95 Speedway? Here we go. It's time for fireworks at Havasu 95 Speedway.